Oh, I'm home. Finally.
Baby, welcome, baby.
Guess what?
What, baby?
Baby, I got this 200 rand from my boss. Guess for what? For just climbing a tree. Just like that. He asked me to climb a tree and give me 200 rand. Baby!
Really?
Yes!
No, baby.
What?
Today you're wearing a skirt, baby. They wanted to see your pants.
Oh
my
Come
God.
on, baby. You know I'm smart, baby. You know I'm smart. Guess what?
What?
I knew it. Then I removed the pants, then climb.
What?
I removed the pants.
Why, baby?
Baby, no, honey. You also know that you wanted to see my pants, right? Then I removed it before climbing. Baby, I was just trying to act smart, honey, baby. Oh my goodness, he fainted. Where is water, honey? Baby.